Welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through how to resize your image on your WordPress website. How to resize your image on your WordPress website. Some of the images are too heavy. It makes the website work slow. So when you make the image small, your website can be run faster. So follow the steps to end to resize your image so that your dashboard or your website will run faster. So you go to you enter your dashboard like this. You go to plugins. You search for install plugins, or let's choose new plugin. We are going to add another plugin, so it's add new plugin. So when the plugin come like this, you search for a plugin called Mesh. Search for a plugin called Mesh. So this is the plugin. So Mesh image optimization. Plugin called Mesh. Yes, this is the plugin. So this is the plugin that you use. So first you install. Yes, it is installing. After it has finished install, you activate it. So it is activating. Good. After it has finished activating, you see there is the plugin. The plugin is here. You see the plugin is here. So you move to a manual will appear. So you click on the dashboard, on the mesh, the dashboard on the mesh. Yes. So we are on the dashboard of the plugin. You see here you have some settings you need to do. So you begin setup. You click here. When it is off like this, make sure you on it. So when it is on like this, don't touch it. You go to next. When it is on like this, leave it, go to, but when it's off, on it, go to next. When it is on, next, and next. Click on next. So when you finish, you scroll down. You scroll down. You scroll down. Scroll down. Here, leave it. Don't touch anything. Here you see image resize. You take here image resize. You scroll down. Here. You save. So when you save, you come here. You see Smush. So you click Smush, so that all the image that you have or that you have on your website will be small or will be smashed, so that it will be small. So we are waiting. It is working. You see it's uploading or it is progressing. So you wait for it to finish. Yes, it's working. It's working. So you take your time for it to finish. Take your time. So let's do so here you come here, directory mesh, scroll down here, don't touch anything here, don't touch anything here. Load, lazy load here too. Let's see. Lazy load here. If you like, you can make some change. If you don't like, you can leave it. Let me show you. Here, this one, if you like, let me show you here. And you like here, you can choose this, that, but I prefer leaving it like this, so I won't touch anything here. I won't touch anything. If you like, can change what I show you. You go to next. Yes, you go to next. So it is optimizing. It is optimizing. Here is having pro version, that's paid one. So you go to next. Scroll down, you scroll down here to paid version, and go to settings. Here under settings, see general, you tick, you highlight it, you click save. Yes, you see it has saved. You go to tutorial. Yes, there's nothing here. We will still go to the dashboard again. You still go to the dashboard again. Dashboard. Remember, we are resizing our image, so it's still in progress. It's still in progress. So you wait for it to compress or to finish optimizing all the images. So this is the steps to follow to optimize all your images on your WordPress website using Mesh plugin. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.